welcome back to my channel. Foil looking thing.
Tin foil?
Wait, yeah.
But you are stingy.
I'm not. Never the mangoes that you don't want to share?
Yo, I called dibs on that. You can't just take my mango? Yeah,
Exactly.
and you ate the whole box.
I didn't.
What?
It's so soggy.
Don't you feel all lost? Like,
I wasn't lost.
That was delicious. What? How you turned around?
Hey, beautiful. Eyebrows like this. Hey, beautiful. Damn, that's a lot of money. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. I put that one upside down. Son of a... Ah! Looks like my eyelashes are going. Peace. Besos a todos. Hey, beautiful. January, you guys. This is the first box of 2018. Hell yeah. Flicky, flicky. Amazing. Hey, beautiful. It is crece. Look at this one. You're welcome. Very, very nice. I like it a lot. Those are so pigmented. I love you guys so much. Besos a todos. Hey, beautiful. That's a lot. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Is that a gana? Oh, it is. Stressing. Oh, no. Besos a todos. Hey, beautiful. And let's do it. I'm down to go to town. Did I get my eyebrows? Yeah. Hey, beautiful. Jasmine. Smells so good, you guys. Really, really nice. You like those goldish, yellowish, highlightish. Oh, that looks so pretty. Hey, beautiful. I don't know why I'm going like this, but I want to do something very dramatic, bold, boom, glitters, shimmer. Ooh, what's up? We tend to get eyeshadow palettes and then we think we only have to stay with one. We don't. Thanks a latte. Thanks a latte. And I think it's a perfect match. Hey, beautiful. I have my husband Rudy here. Talking about
that was hard. Huh? I like to make it easy, just something quick, something fast. I do 2 scoops of whey protein, almond milk, 8 ounces of almond milk. I do. What are you gonna?
Sorry,
you wanna add bay? Oh, that don't look right. This is a lime, right?
Yes,
it's like lime. I call it lemon, but it's a lime. It's really. But yeah, just like I grab like just.
Yeah.
Handful of lettuce.
How far he's come. You.
Because you love me.
Because I love you, yes.
It's a drink.
Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. It smells so good.
That's super weird. I like it. I feel like it's going to pop everywhere.
And you open the ketchup on the side. You don't open the ketchup like this.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what to say.
That was like half the thing. Like I thought you was trying it.
I was trying it. I'm just kidding. I couldn't even do it right. Elephant.
You're just. You make the showing ability that you have is just amazing.
It tastes just like citrus.
Yeah, like if you're gonna taste citrus, it tastes like it.
I do!
That's pretty cool, huh? I already knew that was gonna slow motion that shit, cause you were like, oh shit! But yeah, that's what you look like.
Stupid. That was good. High fives. Too slow.
What?
Hey, beautiful. Welcome. LA girl foundations. I'm so excited to try this foundation out. You guys, I'm really shook. No foundation. Foundation. Eyebrows are looking crusty as hell, but it's okay. Hey, beautiful. Foundation. So crazy. I love when it takes care of the problem because I'm just like, Oh my god, you guys. I'm pregnant. It is happening. I was talking about the baby.
So cute.
Okay, I'll love you.
I just want to love
Gordo,
you.
your face is so little. Mine's all huge now. So
Let me just love you.
It's so good. Celebrating for Alan's first. Oh wait, hold on, let me focus.
I'm like, no flash. Hold on, you're recording me. Rudy keeps scaring you. This looks so good. Oh, I know. I was like, whoa.
Thank you. Generation Beauty. Good line. Oh, it was a beautiful Sin, babe, and FAMBAM Martha. She said, up. You did that last time. Hey, beautiful. The little cabrona that wants to get out of hand and stuff, and I'll stretch it sometimes. Going to lighten them up a little bit. Hey, beautiful. Let's get started. All close up and personal. I think where it says a light illusion, it's going to be a light foundation. Foundation. All right. It looks nice. Flawless. I love you guys so much. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a very special guest.
Hi, guys.
Oh, I should have talked when I was in yours, huh?
Huh?
When you did mine, I was like...
You look like an estuata, dude. Like, you literally did not talk in my intro. I'm like, this is your moment to shine. That video was... No, she had me gagging. My boyfriend does not even have me gagging, girl. It has little three puntitos. Wait, what?
What?
I'm like, what? Just didn't want to give you my pencil because I'm like running out. So I'm like, I was being stingy.
I don't want to share.
I was being stingy. Mix them both to get my shape. So you have to mix them both, homegirl. Like, pareces pinche animal. Like, I laugh like a freaking hyena, dude. Like, I laugh like that.
Hey, beautiful. The drunk elephant marilla oil. These two. If you guys hear a lot of noise, it's because we're laying down the wood. Bitch. Hey, beautiful. Menudo. And I got some she's me. So I was like, I like her. We'll try to be funny and he's not. You know, we had each other's back. Don't do it. I'm like, you know, you guys know I go off vibes. Ew, ew. I'm telling you with heels. And I didn't know what he was gonna say. Get a baby shot. Hey, beautiful. It reminds me of like Harry Potter. So smooth. I love trailblazers. Okay, so we're just going to mush it. Oh my god, dude.
I'm more cute. Look at my hair, yo.
Did you really say that? No, I'm cuter. What the heck? Hey, beautiful. You're so bougie and dramatic when I'm like, I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so happy. Okay.
Hey Eileen, oh my god, I'm
Hi.
so sorry I'm so late, but girl, I still want to congratulate you on graduating. Yes, Edda, you did it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god,
Oh, you like it? I'll send it to you. Oh.
Oh, she in the club?
What?
What?
Three. Hey, beautiful. Sorry. You see? There is my baby bump. My eye. Hey, beautiful. That's the BOXYCHARM. Oh, that smells so good. Just making me happy. I had to. Ooh, that smells good. Foundation. No foundation. Wait, that scared me. Before I can feel her quick.
Oh, I
You felt it? Hey, beautiful. I told you guys my baby was a girl. I felt it. Hey, beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh. Dang. See? I could deal with that. Ugh. Hey, beautiful. I love setting spray. So I need to get the setting spray. Alright. Well, I got some baby lashes, so we're going to be putting it to the test. Oh, my foot. Boom. Hi, I am here. I'm just going to be applying a little bit to my face. Tap some of that off. Hey, beautiful. Foundation. I wait. Oh, that smells good. No foundation. Smelled amazing. Nothing. So here's the belly shot. 26 weeks and 2 days. Hey, beautiful. Babe got some jackfruit. Hey, Hey, beautiful.
One time for the birthday cheat. 2 times for the birthday cheat. 3 times for the birthday cheat. Go ahead and visit your birthday cheat.
Hey, beautiful. So I got my nails done. Ooh. Ooh. Boom. Boom. Good. Pinky ring. And it's just a pretty like boom. Do it together. Oh, you missed, you ugly. Okay, let's go. Hey, beautiful.
They sent us air.
Oh, that's like
weird.
me. I can't stand you. I got crumbs in my crack. I don't know how that happened. You did not just take my sticker for that. Caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Don't. Why you do that to me? Hey, beautiful.
It is good.
It smells like Nesquik. Definitely. Fruity lollipops with a bubble cream center.
Hey guys,
beautiful,
welcome back to my
back.
channel. Oh, this is it for mine?
No!
I never do that to you. I always let you. Jagway. Babe, what in the hell? You cried your whole makeup off. You never laughed that hard.
Hey, beautiful. You fall in love all over again? I love it. How good this is. I hope I'm making sense. Oh. Besos a todos. Hey, beautiful. Glowy makeup look. Oh, that feels good. And boom, makeup look is done. The oil, such a good oil. It is secure. Look how freaking beautiful this is, you guys. Hey, beautiful. The NYX can't stop, won't stop. No foundation.
Hi, can I get the carne asada fries?
Oh, really? Okay, I barely am waking up. Yeah. Am I ugly and you guys never told me?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You guys just witness
I've come to talk
what
with
happens
you.
all the freaking time. Hey, beautiful! It's pretty big. Pretty. Ooh. I thought that's what you
Hey
said.
guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rudy.
But I'm gonna be doing his makeup for the very first time.
Look at me right now, okay? Don't.
Okay, kiss.
No,
I
you're
kissed you on the
being
other
weird.
one.
Oh, nah.
So you're talking about your lonja?
Yeah.
That's what I call it?
Yeah.
Hey, beautiful. So, I don't think this is going to be bad at all. Pew, pew, pew. Oh, welcome back to my channel. The babe is going to be waxing my armpits. Babe, it's bad. Stop!
Just rip.
Hey, beautiful. Ooh, look at my baby. Look it. Boom, 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 boom. 34 weeks and 5 days. Open it. Ooh. Put on this one, chill out. It's like, oh yeah. Hey, FAMBAM. Good morning.
All the way up.
You'd lose in Jenga.
Funny. Hey, beautiful. Fancy. Baby's gonna be here next month.
Not the most comfy, cozy, cute one of those right there, though. It's gonna change your lives, you guys. Oh, somebody's mad now.
Yeah. Hey, beautiful. I always want to say chorizo. I don't know why. Dude, look at that. Oh. Hey, beautiful. That matches me pretty freaking good. Foundation. No foundation. Good. Like, look how good that coverage is. I'm really, really ready just to. Hey, beautiful. It's. Hi. They have been chilling for a minute. Mira. Ooh. Rub my eyebrows off, babe. Take me swimming on the first date, babe. I want my face, babe. Damn. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a belly shot. 38 weeks, 2 days. Things happen after the baby. Ooh. Hey, beautiful. I got the caca shade. Oh, it smells amazing. Damn, that freaking hurt. Boom, done. Neon. Right there. Line, so I'm really happy that. Hey, beautiful. And it was, I like how big it is. Like, I really do. Look at that. That's a good match, right? That's convenient.
Let me get. Hey guys, just kidding.
But that is so freaking good. Mira. I don't know how to do it. Hi, and then he says, holla. Holla. He says, holla. Like they feed us here. Camina, papi. No lo hagas yo. ¡Ey! Por razón no lierro. Mira. Oh, baby. Oh, no, baby. Okay guys, it's baby time.
This is why we pregnant.
Oh, gordo. Breathing does help though. Ew, I'm having pressure down there. I'm just so happy.
Yeah?
Is he looking at you?
She's like, oh, no, voice.
Hey, beautiful. The heck is this? Quads. No bullshit. Foundation. No foundation. Like, I don't know what to do with the new hair. Oh, mama. Hey, guys. You good? But it's so quick. It's so cool. So I'm like, air, high five. Is there a cute way to put on lip balm? Because I feel like I'm just like, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm all stupid. Hey, beautiful. And the contacts look fucking dope. It's like they made this shade just for me. Got 3 shades of L'Oreal. Hey, beautiful. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Magnets in there. That is so cool. Like, it just kissed my face like. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, our skin is just gross. Green, blue, pink, purple. Oi! I think I broke the chair. Foundation. No foundation. Ooh. What happened? This, that, oh, socks. Yeah, I didn't do any check-ins. Foundation. Oh, we hella scored.